Hello, bienvenue à la classe du français. Je suis professeur du français. Je m'appelle Syed Mohammed Riazul Haque. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you miss any video from related to French language, then you can type www.youtube.com/c/Syed Mohammed Riazul Haque. Then you will come to my page of the YouTube, and then you will go to the playlist, find out the subjects. If you want to learn the French language, whether the German language, you will find the fundamental concepts related to these two languages as well. And also there are some lectures related to the other management science courses subjects like marketing, service marketing, strategic management, similarly quantitative analysis, and other things that you will find more helpful for your study as well. Soon I will start recording some lectures according to the research. So in today's class, because now in this lesson, that is the lesson number 11, I think, we are going to study about the partitive article. In French language, we have different kinds of article, like indefinite article, definite article. We have a three definite article. We have studies like lo, la, le, according to the gender, singular, plural, feminine, masculine, and the plural form. Similarly, we have the indefinite article. In last video, we have covered the indefinite article a or une, but there is also the other one they, us, they article. But I want to cover that article in this. This is basically there is another kind of the article that we use in French language, that is partitive article. Partitive article. So what are the usage of the partitive article? Basically, when we use the article before the noun, you know very well about this thing. So when your noun is plural, okay, when your noun is plural, and when your noun is plural, so there are two choices. Whether your noun is plural, okay, it means that more than one things, like people. In English we have the noun the people. A lot of people, you have one word, people. Similarly, so you will see whether your noun plural, okay, but is it countable or uncountable? That you have to identify whether it is a countable or uncountable. So normally we use the partitive article for the uncountable nouns, and normally the partitive articles do, dula, they. So and dula, when the noun start with the vowel, also we use the dula. We will see here in today's class. So it gives meaning some or any, like some water. Water is a noun, that is an uncountable noun. How much water? You can say one water, two water, three water. You will see whether you will use the measurement, a glass of water, or you will say the some water. So when you want to say the some water, then you will use partitive article according to the gender of the water. What is the gender of the water? So first of all, you have to identify the gender, as you have practiced when you were learning about the definite article. So we practice so much about the gender. So if you identify the gender of the noun, then you can use also the partitive article if the noun is uncountable, plural or uncountable, or you when you want to use the sum. So in this video, we are going to study and learn partitive article in detail. What happened when the partitive article with the adverb of quantity, with a quantity. So let's have a look here for starting. So I'm sharing here with you guys, and you will learn here. So in this slides, you will see. Uh, Let me maximize it. So partitive article. What are the differences we have? We have to put in our mind. That is basically uh, for countable nouns, you use the indefinite articles, okay, or the for uncountable nouns, we use the partitive article. That is the main difference. What is uncountable noun? For example, rice, the noun. You will say one rice, two rice, or you will use the 1 kilo rice, 2 kilo rice. Rice is en français. Similarly, water. Similarly, chocolate. Similarly, you have the bread. How much bread? Like this. So there are the nouns which exist in the plural form, but they are also uncountable. Uh, so we use here the partitive articles. So here a little bit revision. We have the indefinite articles here. Two articles we have studied before about. indefinite articles a, une. We use it also according to the gender. A is used when a noun, it is used before the noun, when a noun is singular and the masculine. Similarly, the noun is the feminine and the masculine. And when the noun is the plural, we use. Last time I told you that there isn't. We cannot use the indefinite article in the plural form. But here is a condition, that what kind of plural form? Countable plural form. Noun. If the noun is countable and the plural form, then you can use also the they. So they is also used in partitive article as well. So I wanted to complete the topic of the they with the partitive article so that you can easily understand the concept. So, but you should put it in your mind that there are also the three indefinite article as well: a, une, and they. So, what are the partitive articles here? So here you will see the partitive article. We have the do, zula, dul, they. It is also a form of the dula, do, l apostrophe we use if the noun start with the vowels. If we say in the English, the vowels a, e, I, o, u, a, u, a, e, o. So we don't use. We just put apostrophe with the l and write the noun. So we have here basically the four kinds of the partitive article: do, dula, do, they. We will see here where we can use it and how we can utilize in our sentences, so you guys will also learn very fast. And you know very well that we have also studied in our previous lecture, in our previous lesson, about the contraction of the noun, contractions about the words. It is basically the combination of the prepositions and the noun. So similar, we have do also, we saw in the contraction lesson, and also we have the do here. But here we use the do as a partitive article. Basically, these partitive article that we are using here, do, dula, del, des, basically they give the meaning of some, any, like this. And the noun is uncountable, so we use some water, water is uncountable. Some rice, you can say, like some chocolate, some milk. So for this, we use the article. And article is very important to put with the noun in French language. Second, we have here, if we look here, a partitive articles, we have the do, dula, del, they. Basically, they are using when we use in the meaning, in the replacement, we can say of some or any, we use these. But how we will identify where should we use do, where should we use dula, or where should we use del or they? So here you have to put down and note down the concept where you can use it. So where you will use do, use before a masculine noun. Noun should be the singular masculine. Then you use do before the noun, the partitive article. Similarly, if used before do la, as you see, identify the article la, basically tell us that the noun should be the feminine la, the la. Okay, so use before a feminine noun, and it should be singular noun, not plural noun. And dul and do l if the noun starts with vowels or silent h. Of course, we have learned before that h is also used as a silent. We don't pronounce lom like this, home, but we say lom, pog lom. Okay, for the man, it means. So when the noun is started with the h, so h normally is silent, mute. You will not pronounce the h sound, so you will also use dual like this. So if the noun is start with vowels or silent h, either masculine or feminine, here you are free that no need to worry about the masculine or feminine. If the noun is start with the l, with the vowel or with h, then you will use the partitive article del in the meaning of some or any, like this. Similarly, we have the they. They is used for the plural article like this. Before plural noun, before plural noun, but that noun should be uncountable. You cannot count that noun, like water, like milk, like sauces, oil. We use some other kind of measurement scale to count them. So the before the plural uncountable noun, either masculine or feminine, we use they. So these are the four categories, and we understand that where we can use the partitive article. Do use before a masculine noun, singular should be singular. Do la use before a feminine noun, and it should be singular. And del here, if the noun starts with the vowel or the silent h, either masculine or feminine, it should be singular. And they is also the partitive article before the plural noun, and that noun should be uncountable noun, either masculine or feminine. So here you will see some examples here, like this. For example, the example of the do: je mange du pain. Je mange du pain. Je mange du pain. It means I eat some bread. Bread is basically the masculine singular noun, we can say. Masculine singular noun, the bread. So we are using du pain. Okay, du pain. Dulope, dulope, we're using du pain. Je mange du pain. I eat some bread. In the meaning of the sum, in the replacement of the sum, we are using here du. Je mange du pain. Similarly, doula, where you can use the doula. Example, je, je mange de la confiture. Je mange de la confiture. Confiture is used for jam. Jam jelly, you can say jam, marmalade jam, like this. Poms jam, poms confiture, apple jams. So, je mange de la confiture. I eat some jam. The feminine jam is by nature, by gender, it is feminine and singular. Je mange the jam. Similarly, du lait. So, je bois du l'eau. Je bois du l'eau. Je bois du l'eau. I drink some water. I drink some water. Before a vowel, because the is water, but starts with that is that is basically the vowel. So here we use L apostrophe. So je bois de l'eau, I drink some water. Similarly, je mange des pains. Je mange des pains. Je mange des pains. Des pains. Je mange des pains. I eat some pasta. I eat some pasta. Pasta is I eat some pasta. Here the pat pastas we can say in English too. Pat here is a noun, is also the plural as is using, and pasta is uncountable noun, basically how much pasta. So you can use the 500 kg like this, 500 grams like this, a pasta. But here it is a plural noun is using here, and also the uncountable noun is using here. So you are using when you want to say I eat some pasta, so you say je mange des pains. I eat some pasta. मैं कुछ पास्ता में खाता हूँ. सही है, like this. So in Urdu language we say कि partitive articles हमारे पास basically चार किस्म के हैं. do, दूला, del, दे. do हम वहां पे यूज करेंगे अगर हमारा नाउन से पहले ये इस्तेमाल होगा, और नाउन अगर हमारा मस्कुलिन है, सिंगुलर एक है, तो हम do यूज करेंगे. और ये बेसिकली सम और एनी की मीनिंग में आ रहा होता है जुमले में, जहां पे आप सम और एनी यूज करना चाहते हैं, तो वहां पे अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के लिए जो है हम यूज करते हैं. ब्रेड, आप कितना ब्रेड है उसमें स्लाइसिस में आप करेंगे दूसरे अल्फाजों में. जिस तरह राइस, चावल है, आप दुकान में जाएंगे कितने चावल लेने हैं, एक चावल, दो चावल, तो क्वांटिटी बताना पड़ेगा. राइस अनकाउंटेबल है. वाटर है तो उर्दू में हम लोग नॉर्मल कहते हैं थोड़ा सा पानी पिला दे या एक गिलास पानी पिला दे, थोड़ा सा पानी पिला दे. तो यहाँ पे फ्रेंच में आर्टिकल है, इंग्लिश में ऐसा कोई हिसाब नहीं है. आई ड्रिंक वाटर, इट इज फाइन सेंटेंस. ओके, इट इज करेक्ट, इट इज फाइन सेंटेंस. बट लॉन्ग फॉर्म से में इस तरह कहना, यहाँ पे पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल यूज होगा. यहाँ पे करना है, यहाँ पे अगर आप कहना चाहते हैं आई ड्रिंक वाटर, je bois de l'eau, do यहाँ पे यूज करना, अदरवाइज योर सेंटेंस विल बी इनकरेक्ट हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. तो सिमिलरली आई ड्रिंक सम वाटर बिफोर अ वॉल, je bois de l'eau. एंड दे यूज करेंगे अनकाउंटेबल नाउन की जगह, जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो mange de pain, आई ईट सम पास्ता, मैं कुछ पास्ता खाता हूँ. तो पैट यहाँ पे ये पैट पास्ते के लिए यूज हो रहा है, एस लगा हुआ है, तो ये है ही प्लूरल, और यहाँ पे हम दे जो है वो पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल यूज करेंगे जो कि सम की मीनिंग में आता है। तो दू मस्कुलिन सिंगुलर नाउन है तो दू, अगर फेमिनिन सिंगुलर नाउन है तो दूला, और अगर वॉल से नाउन स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो फिर ये टेंशन आपकी जो है वो खत्म हो जाएगी, वेदर नाउन इज मस्कुलिन फेमिनिन, जस्ट आपको दू और एल के बाद अपोस्ट्रोफी और नाउन इस लिख देंगे, क्योंकि वॉल यानी कि ए ई आई ओ यू एस से आपका शुरू हो रहा है नाउन, तो दैट यू कैन मेक योर इजीली सेंटेंस। एंड प्लूरल है तो यहाँ पे भी आपको कोई मसला नहीं है जेंडर का, जस्ट यू विल यूज दे, वेदर फेमिनिन और मस्कुलिन, या जस्ट you will use your they. Well, you understand this, so let's go to the other slides we have here. Partitive article with negative. नेगेशियो में कैसे यूज करेंगे partitive article with negation, नेगेशियो और negation. So with negation we have here uh, do, we have a four partitive articles do, दूला, दूले और they. अगर नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं तो वहां पे जो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस सिंपल सेंटेंस में तो सेम होगा, एज वी हैव स्टडीड बिफोर, विद अ सिंपल सेंटेंस यू विल राइट दिस, बट व्हेन यू वांट टू द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, so what is the changing with the partitive article you will see here, just you will replace this partitive article with do, they, u, de, they, u. Do is replaced by do la is replaced by just do, and do l replaced by they apostrophe, and they is also the last one, they is also replaced by do. So we will see here how this can be replaced. For example, we have the example, the same example we have, je mange du pain, I eat some bread. But here I want to say that je ne mange pas du pain, je ne mange pas du pain, I don't eat bread. I don't eat bread. Je ne mange pas du pain. I don't eat bread. So here you will see the do is replaced by do. No pa. No pa. No pa is used to make a negative sentence. Okay. When you want to when you want to make the negative sentence, you use no pa. No pa is used for making the negative sentence. So you have to put in your mind about the negative sentence. Second example we have here, je bois de la limonade. Je bois de la limonade. I drink some lemonade. लिमका जिस तरह पीते हैं लींबू शरबत वगैरह. I drink some lemonade. Je bois de la limonade. So here you will see once again second example we have here. Je bois de la limonade. I drink some lemonade. Lemonade, limca that you drink normally. Je bois de la limonade. I drink some lemonade. And you will say here also like this. Uh, you want to make a negative sentence. So how will you make the negative sentence like here? Je ne bois pas de limonade. I don't drink lemonade. सही. So in Urdu के मैं थोड़ा सा लेमोनाड पीता हूँ और मैं लेमोनाड नहीं पीता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे जुमला नहीं बनेगा मैं थोड़ा सा भी लेमोनाड नहीं पीता हूँ। तो थोड़ा सा लेमोनाड पीता हूँ तो उसका जो नेगेटिव बनेगा मैं लेमोनाड नहीं पीता हूँ। सही है। इसी तरीके से मैं कुछ ब्रेड या सम ब्रेड खाता हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत थोड़ा सा ब्रेड खाता हूँ। यू कैन यूज द नाश्ते में किसी में खाने के साथ सिमिलरली, तो इसका जो नेगेटिव होगा कि मैं ब्रेड नहीं खाता हूँ। इस तरह का मैं कुछ कुछ ब्रेड नहीं खाता हूँ, ये रॉन्ग हो जाएगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्वर्सेशन और वी कैन स्पीकिंग स्टाइल. सो हियर यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई je mange du pain, do is replaced and je ne mange pas du pain. यहाँ पे do is replaced by do de a. Similarly, je bois de la limonade, I drink some lemonade. Je ne bois pas de limonade, I don't drink lemonade. So here dula is replaced by just do. Dula is replaced by just do. And the third example we have here, je achète des pains. Je achète, je achète des pains. Achète is a verb that means bought. I bought some pasta. Passé composé, it is called the passé composé sentence. ये tense में passé composé है और इसकी it also like present perfect. I have bought some pasta. Je achète, यहाँ पे have और उसके बाद noun है, sorry verb है, तो je यहाँ पे ये आशित है, तो जो ए आई हैव का शॉर्ट फॉर्म जैसे आई हैव कहते हैं, वी से इन इंग्लिश लाइक आई हैव I will, I am, am. Okay, so that is I have. J'ai acheté de pain. I bought some pasta. I wanna say I did not buy pasta. I did not buy pasta. You will not say I did not buy some pasta. You say I did not buy pasta. So je n'ai pas acheté du pain. Je n'ai pas. Je n'ai pas acheté. Je n'ai pas acheté du pain. Je n'ai pas acheté du pain. Here you will use also consider about the reading pattern, how you will read here, because the word start with the vowel, you will use the sound here sa. Je n'ai pas acheté du pain. I did not buy pasta. So here you will see the partitive article they is replaced by do. Okay, they is replaced by do. Or when you are making the sentence like passé composé, past sentence, or perfect imperfect sentence, perfect sentence. So here n'est pas, a have bought की जगह है ये have bought. So and यहाँ पे and o no है, और no पा don't know, do not की मीनिंग में आता है. सही है, do not की मीनिंग में आता है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे आपने ई को हटा के ए आई ए लिखा है अपोस्ट्रोफी लगा के, तो ये भी एक तरीका जहन में रखना है आपको. देन आप समझ जाएंगे. थोड़ी सी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, जस्ट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन, प्रैक्टिस, देन यू विल सी दैट हाउ मच यू विल इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ एंड रियली यू विल लाइक इट to learn about the French as well. So here once again we go over lecture here. So je acheté des pâtes, I bought some pasta, and je n'ai pas acheté du pâtes, I did not buy pasta. तो past indefinite भी बनाना आप लोग यहाँ पे सीख जाएंगे. I did not buy some pasta. Yeah, I haven't bought some pasta. So next example we have here. J'ai de l'argent de poche. J'ai de l'argent. J'ai de l'argent de poche. I have some pocket money. Poche is a pocket. L'argent, money. Pocket money, l'argent de poche. On français, you will use also the article. So here is the same article, money of the pocket, and here the preposition. Here is we use, that is the partitive article do l. You will see the argent start with the vowel a, so you use the apostrophe like here, apostrophe. Okay, so this one you are using here. Je de l'argent de poche. I have some pocket money. Here you also use the partitive article in the replacement of the some. मेरे पास कुछ जेब खर्ची है, pocket money. So je n'ai pas d'argent de poche. Je n'ai pas d'argent de poche. I don't have pocket money. I don't have pocket money. So these are the very beautiful example of this pocket money. Now we will see here partitive article with adverbs of quantity. If you are using the adverb of the quantity before the noun, then how you will use the partitive article? So the same rule we will adopt here that we used before, making the simple sentence using the partitive article, and how it will change when we made the negative sentence. So the partitive article change with do. So these changing rules you have to put in your mind, and then you will see here once again. So here you will see here once again, these are basically the some adverbs of quantity, like po, little is used for the little. Assez is used for enough. Trop is used for too much. Plus is used for more. Beaucoup, we say the maxi beaucoup, a lot, beaucoup. Thank you so much. We can say thanks a lot. Maxi beaucoup. Moi, less. So these are basically the adverb of quantity. You will see these are not the number, but little amount. You can say the enough for me, like this. Too much, it is too much in quantity. More, plus, beaucoup, a lot of, बहुत ज़्यादा, and more, less. तो थोड़ा बहुत काफी है मेरे लिए, बहुत ज्यादा है ये, ज्यादा, इससे ज्यादा, more, और बहुत ज्यादा, lot of, less, कम कर दो, ये कर दो. In Urdu we have words to used. So let's see the example here. So here also, what kind of partitive article, what will be the changing in the partitive article when you are using the adverbs of quantity. So the same rule, as we used in making negative sentence, we use you. If you are using the do in the partitive article, and when you are using these quantitative adverbs, so you will use this quantitative adverb, and then you will change this partitive article to do. Similar, dula, do, del, the, apostrophe, de, apostrophe, and do. So just you have to put in mind, you have to memorize this do, dula, del, des, and one, do, trois. Trois are twice same. ये तीन जो हैं वो एक जैसे हैं, यानी कि सिर्फ दू तीन में होगा, सिर्फ दू एल के साथ आपको याद रखना है कि डी अपोस्ट्रोफी लगाना है, तो ये आपको जहन में रखना है. So let's see some example of this. For example, we have here the same example we are using here. Uh, Once again, je mange du pain. I eat some bread. Je mange pain du pain. Je mange pain du pain. I eat little bread. Or if you want to say, I don't eat much bread. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खाया, या मैंने थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं खाया, इसका मतलब है कि आपने थोड़ा खाया. जब थोड़ा खाया तो इसका कहने का तरीका है कि आपको यहाँ पे नेगेटिव नो पावर यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है ऐसी बात कहने के लिए. आई ईट लिटिल ब्रेड, ये भी बात सही है. आई डोंट ईट मच ब्रेड, मैंने ज्यादा नहीं खाया, इसका मतलब है थोड़ा खाया, मैंने थोड़ा खाया. दोनों एक्स जुमलों के लिए फॉर द बोथ सेंटेंस यू विल यूज je mange peu de pain. Je mange peu de pain. I eat little bread. Je mange peu de pain. I eat little bread. Je mange peu de pommes. I eat little apples. Okay, we can say like this. So we will see the other example. So here you will see the partitive article do change to do, because here is the peu is adverb of quantity. So what is the place of the adverb of quantity? You are also watching this: the subject, verb, adverb of quantity, then partitive article changing, and then noun. You have to mind this logical way of making sentence as well. Similarly, go to the next example. We have je bois de la limonade. Je bois de la limonade. I drink some lemonade. And you want to say, I drink too much lemonade, or too much quantity, too much lemonade. When you talk about the liquid things, use the some lemonade, some water, too much water. Okay, je bois, I drink. De la limonade. You want to say, I drink too much lemonade. You will say, je bois trop. Je bois trop de limonade. Je bois trop de limonade. Here you will not use la. You will eliminate this. Just you will use do. Je bois trop de limonade. I drink too much lemonade. Similarly, the next example we have here. Je achète des pâtes. J'ai acheté. J'ai acheté des pâtes. I bought some pasta. And the next sentence, j'ai acheté beaucoup de pain. J'ai acheté beaucoup de pain. Beaucoup is used for a lot of. I bought a lot of pasta. You can also translate like this: I have bought some pasta. Same word. J'ai acheté de pain. Or I've bought a lot of pasta. So you will also say like this: j'ai acheté beaucoup de pain. Beaucoup de pain. Pain is also with the s. It's also the plural uncountable noun. Beaucoup. So you are using the measurement here. The word adverb of quantity you are using here. The next example we have here: j'ai de l'argent de poche. I have some pocket money. You want to say, I have less pocket money. I have a little pocket money, less pocket money. You have to distinguish between when you use the little, when you use the less. What is the difference between the little and the less, much and a lot of? With what noun you will use a lot of, much, little. So here you are also gaining and learning these words. Also you are improving your English language as well. So last example, example number 4. Je de l'argent de poche. J'ai de l'argent de poche. I have some pocket money. J'ai moi d'argent de poche. J'ai moins d'argent de poche. I have less pocket money. J'ai moins d'argent de poche. Moi is less d'argent pocket. D'argent the money. Du poche uh, pocket is used for the pocket. A pocket के लिए we use here the preposition also as well. So, j'ai moins d'argent de poche. I have less pocket. So these are the some examples of the partitive article with adverbs of the quantity, you understand. Similarly, we have another concept here we are going to study in the learn partitive article after a quantity. When you will be given a quantity like measurement like 500 grams, kilo. So how will you use with the partitive article? What will be the changing in the partitive article? So here is the same rule that you are using in making the negative sentence with partitive article with the adverb of quantity and partitive article after a quantity like you are using some kind of measurement units. So these are the example also for the some kind of measurement units as well. So number one we have je de la confiture. I have some jam, but I want to say that I have 500 grams of jam. 500 grams jam, you have 500 grams of jam. So you say j'ai 500. 5 100 is also used for 100, like in Urdu 100. Also in French is also the 100. So Urdu और French में 100 को 100 ही कहते हैं. सही 500 बस नून गुन्ना लगाना होता है. 100 nasal sound आता है. J'ai 500 grammes de confiture. Confiture. J'ai 500 grammes de confiture. I have 500 grams jams. Number two, toi, par exemple, number deux, je voudrais des pommes. Je voudrais des pommes. I would like some apples. Je voudrais des pommes. I would like some apples. Je voudrais un kilo de pommes. Here you will see that how it is changing the partitive article. They is changing with do. They is replaced by the do, and a kilo is basically the quantity you are using before uh, uh, the quantity like this. We can see the partitive article with the quantity. Je voudrais un kilo de pommes. Similarly, the third one we have j'ai du lait. I have some milk. Milk is also the uncountable noun, milk, but we use the measurement scale here: liter, half liter, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter. So I want to say that I have a liter of milk, liter of milk like this. Yeah, I have 1 liter milk. So you will say j'ai un litre, j'ai un litre de lait. J'ai un litre de lait. I have a liter of milk. या मेरे पास 1 लीटर दूध है. दूध की क्वांटिटी आप 1 किलो कहते हैं, 1 लीटर है बेसिकली इसकी क्वांटिटी पर. लेकिन नॉर्मली लोग 1 लीटर दूध दे दें, 2 लीटर दे दें, 1 लीटर. लीटर में आप लिक्विड को मेजर करते हैं, मेजरमेंट स्केल आपका लिक्विड का लीटर है. सो यहाँ पे आप जो है वो इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल आपने समझ लिया. आपके पास पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल ड्यू, दूला, दे और दे एल अपोस्ट्रोफी है. और किस तरीके से सिंपल सेंटेंस बनते हैं और जब नेगेटिव बनाते तो क्या चेंजिंग आती है. तो 3 पार्टिटिव आर्टिकल में डू, दे, दूला, दे चेंज बेसिकली डू, दे ऊ वाला डू, ड्यू, दे, ऊ यानी कि डी यू चेंज होगा डी ई में. That is very important for you to memorize this and make a sentence like this as well. So these all are the partitive article, and once again if I go to here, so you will see basically these are the partitive article with the adverb of quantity: peu, assez, trop, plus, beaucoup, moi. But the partitive article here we see do, dula, del, des. So these all are the practice. I hope that you understand. These all are the practice of the partitive article. Well, that's I think that you understand this lecture, and that's all in this lesson of the partitive article. We also covered about the partitive article, and also the third indefinite article that we say the day. I hope you understand and like this video. Okay, so subscribe my channel and more learn. Keep in touch and like, share and comments as well, and keep with me. उम्मीद है कि आप लोग समझ में आया होगा, और इसको जब तक आप लिखेंगे नहीं, बोलेंगे नहीं, तो ये मजा नहीं आएगा इसको सीखने में. तो ट्राई टू स्पीक with confident No matter you make a mistake, but after making a lot of mistake, practice make a man perfect. So adopt this way. Inshallah, meet you in the next video with a new lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Au revoir.